I need to know how to fix error 4 on a Whirlpool dishwasher.
Error code 4 means it is overfilled.
Now I'm afraid to open it, since water could spill out.
Error code 4 on a Whirlpool dishwasher usually means too much inlet water or just too much water in general.
What do I do about it, aside from getting a mop bucket?
I've heard of it being solved by tipping the dishwasher about 45 degrees to reset the flood sensor.
And tipping it like that could cause it to spill out.
Not if the cause is a float that is messed up because it got cracked. Nor is it a problem if the true cause is a damaged float switch.
It would be easier to replace the float or the switch in that case.
You'll still need to reset the switch to fix the error code.
Power cycling the dishwasher should do that.
Another cause of this error is if the level inside the dishwasher is too high because you put hand dishwashing liquid in instead of dishwasher soap in, and all the bubbles cause the level indicator to go up.
That's just less annoying to clean up than water, since the kids will have a blast playing in it. But I haven't used the wrong type of soap for it.
The same thing can happen if you put too much rinsate in.
That would be hard to do with our hard water.
You could get this error message if the water inlet valve is stuck open, so the dishwasher overfilled.
That's the default meaning of the error code.
The error may come up if the problem is a mechanical failure with the valve where it can't close, or an electrical glitch where the solenoid or motor that closes it fails.
I'd prefer it failed closed.
If it is an electrical glitch, the solution may be fixing the wiring, whereas a mechanical failure usually means replacing the water inlet valve.
Now I wish it was suds and rinsate overuse, because running the dishwasher with a cup of bicarbonate baking soda would clear all that out.
The same solution works if you have too much dried powder or dried on liquid dish soap in it from a prior load and you need to clear out the residue.
I need some other things to try than assuming the cause is too much of a good thing.
The float could be broken and stuck up high, even though the water level isn't that high. Or the sensor that reads the float level is malfunctioning.
A power cycle usually clears sensor errors.
Unless it is water damaged.
And now we're back to an electrical glitch, though an E4 error staying after power cycling suggests it isn't an intermittent failure.
Unless the float is still stuck up too high.
I can flip the float back down and power cycle it to see if the error resets.
The hard part is flipping the float, due to its relative inaccessibility. That's why they say tilt the whole dishwasher instead.
But make sure it isn't overloaded with water first, or else I risk shorting out a lot of other stuff.
You can determine that by opening the door first, though you can't say you weren't warned.